Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. As you can tell, my face, well, sort of done. And what are we doing today? We are doing another ColorPop palette. And I just did some swatching and it is on the older side and you can feel it, but it's still fairly creamy and did swatch fairly well. Okay, you know what? Let's just get going. Alright, the palette is Lilac You A Lot. And it's a beautiful palette, don't get me wrong. I love purple. My room is purple. It's almost this purple, but darker. I love purple. But there's something in my brain right now that prevents me from wearing purple eyeshadow. It's like I've got a mental block. I wore it for 25 years every day. And now all of a sudden I can't. And doing it today, I could have waited until the very last ColorPop palette I've gone through because I still have quite a few ColorPop palettes to go. I've got one hiding in my little drawer of makeup I need to do. But it just landed to be the next one after that palette, and I just said no, I gotta get this done with. I got a deal. And purple looks beautiful on me because I've got the brown eyes, some days darker than others, and today seems darker than usual. So I just gotta. The shimmers. We have the shimmers. I don't know what I'm doing yet. All I know is that this shimmer is going to be in my inner corner. So at least I've got that one done. I was thinking of doing this one and this one. All depends on what mattes I'm going to do. I love it when it's ready like that. How about I just start with this lilac? Let's start. Send prayers. And my arms already hurt because I did my French braid and my hair is long. And so doing it at the back was difficult. And I've got spackle. I've got my husband's spackle on my hair. And I still got the little fuzzies. Hairspray, spackle, fuzzies, and lilac. And I did not put a primer on. I'm not going to bother at this stage. I have been studying makeup. And if you are interested, I've already got a start of products that I want to show of what I've learned. This is on the YouTubes. This is not on my makeup course. This is just on the YouTubes from makeup artists. And I've done some studying. And there are some things that I want to bring up, whether you like it or not. I want to know if you would like that. If you are interested, please let me know. It's just a matter of, do I do it one video at a time or do I do one video of a few of them? Like, I don't have 5 hours worth of makeup lectures to do. No, I probably could, but I couldn't do it. My memory would not be able to tackle that. So let me know what you guys think and I'll go from there. Maybe I'll do one and see how that goes. One thing I will say is my eyes are very hooded today. And one thing you're supposed to do with hooded eyes is get the eyeshadow up and away like this. Like that's where I was putting it, that close to the eyebrow. I was trying to get some concealer on. My concealer does not like one of my eye creams. Everything pilled and everything came off, so I had to redo that. So that was fun. Everything just peeled right off. So I like the gradient that it's giving me, but because it's so light, I cannot get it that much darker, which is fine. I'm just making sure that I go above my crease, which means that I'm almost at my eyebrow. Now what am I going to do in my actual crease? In, you know, I think I'm going to do this one. And this one was the first matte, which is this one. The one I just used, if you have the palette from Lilac You A Lot, is this one. Now I'm going to use that one. If you want names, I could put them on the screen. I could do that. I could. Because when I edit, I've got my glasses on. So, eyes open and looking down, or close one eye. And I'm doing it this way this time. I rarely do it like that. I rarely do that, like the V. So I'm gonna do in the crease and the V. Ooh! I'm expanding. It is beautiful and soft, so I'm gonna have to stick to soft. I was watching Ash do a palette bingo and I'm like, I need to do a palette bingo. I keep forgetting. Yeah, I do. I want to add a little bit of this. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. I was also watching Annette's Makeup Corner. She was showing us 7 looks of palettes that she has not done videos for, and oh, good lord, beautiful, beautiful looks. If you think I like shimmer, I'm nothing compared to her, because she gets all the shimmers from the indie brands. So those shimmers put mine to shame. They really do. My shimmers are mattes compared to what she has. Her looks are fantastic. She also puts lashes all the time, so everything is just put together so beautifully. I mean, I do have a little bit of indie brand, but I don't have any Blend Bunny, you know, I don't have any Glaminatrix, and I don't want the super colorful palettes, so it's difficult because most of them are all very super colorful, and for me that would be a waste of money. Unless somebody gives it to me, for me it's not worth it. That's why when I got my Cleonid shadows, yeah, see, I keep them in here as well because, and these are not the super duper shimmer shadows, but look at this. Oh please, oh please, oh please. I mean, first off, it was not the best place to put it on, but look at that. And this is not the super expensive ones. This was the low man on totem pole shadow. I'm gonna have to do it again. Okay, what was I doing? Now, I'm gonna use that one and that one. So that one. Ooh, I think I know all of my Star Wars ColorPop palettes for palette bingo. Can you imagine? Let me know what you think. All right, now let's try this. Or not. I don't know if I've told you guys before, but do not buy the Charlotte Tilbury sharpener. It's crap. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I'm not trying to get it on top, but if it goes, it goes. It's just, I'm not good at putting this stuff on my waterline. I'm really not. And you probably didn't see a thing. You didn't miss much. And the funny thing is, it's really creamy. This is an Essence, I believe. It's Annabelle, I think, actually. It's too shiny. Yeah, it is Annabelle. Okay, I got it. I got a peek at it, but it's really creamy when you swatch it, but for some reason it doesn't want to go. But I got a little bit on. And you know what? That's okay. Yeah, I'm wearing purple. I'll be back. And just as I was hitting the button, I realized that I forgot something very, very, very important. And I'm going to use it with that one. Just a smidge. I don't know why I keep forgetting the fairy dust. Maybe it's because I keep thinking that the video is going to be too long and you guys are going to get bored and move on. Just enough to say I did it, even though it's going to emphasize my hood. Okay, now I want to try this newfangled method of doing the lips, which is putting lip liner and doing the ombre. Wish me luck. I'm gonna have to watch more videos because I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Let's just emphasize my lip lump. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. And then I'm going to take my Maracuja from Tarte, Hibiscus. I don't even know if it looks right or if my lip liner got smudged with everything. It's usually done with a lighter lipstick as well and then the lip gloss, but it's what I got, okay? It's what I got. I was not gonna put this on. Actually, no, I was just gonna put the Maracuja on with a nude lip liner, and then I thought, let's go all the way. I've got purple liner on. Let's really go for it. Oh, good grief, that's okay. But if you guys are interested in my face makeup, I did put this on because for some reason it's still sticking around, but I added a quarter squirt of this to lighten it up a little, just a little bit, because this is just a little bit light for my skin tone, and this seems to be getting just for some reason too dark for my skin tone. I don't know, especially considering last week I spent half an hour outside, and I used my Project Pan, which is not budging. All the ridges are still there. It does not want to give, does not want to give. And I also used my Cheek Pop from Charlotte Tilbury in my Project Pan and Mary Luminizer. So it was a Project Pan day today, which is perfect because I'm doing my eyes. It is nice. It is a very beautiful eye look. As eye looks go, I like it. I don't know why my hoods are so hooded today. My skin is so floppy, but it's purple, and I'm having issues with purple. It's a beautiful palette. It's a gorgeous palette. It's gonna be a Megan palette. And I'll give her this. So let me know about the palette bingo. Let me know about imparting my studies and sharing the info, and anything else that I don't remember about what I babbled about. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.